Blessed day, faith friends, and I am Mami Bianca, your gospel sharer for today. Our reading is according to St. John chapter 3, verses 22 to 30. In this reading, John the Baptist had a clear understanding of who he was and what his purpose was. Let me emphasize the 30th verse where he said to his disciples, "He must increase, but I must decrease." I, being part of the frontline team in this pandemic, might thank those who applauded us for the hard work in fighting the virus. There are some calling us the unsung heroes. What am I trying to say is, all our hard works, sacrifices, and dedication in serving people is not for us to be known or recognized. It is Jesus Christ that makes us His instrument in serving the people. It is through His healing hands that restores their health. After all, it's Jesus Christ above all of us. It is His name above all names. That's all, and Happy New Year to everyone. To be updated to our daily reflections, you may subscribe in our YouTube channel, Facebook PH, or you can download our Facebook app on Google Play Store or App Store, or you can just visit our website at www.faithbook.ph. Happy New Year everyone, and God first!